How to turn your image into cartoon for free. Here you can see this. It's amazing. So follow me so that I can show you how you can do it for free. Okay. First, open any web browser that is on your computer. Here type to search stylar.ai. Press enter on your keyboard. Here is the website. You have to sign in or create an account with your Gmail, as you can see here. Now, click on the new project. Click on Import Images. Here select the photo that you would like to use. OK. Now click on Image to Image. Here you can see there are a lot of styles to use. Select any template that you would like to use. But for this video, I am showing how you can turn your image into a cartoon. So, I would like to use this. Now under the prompt, describe your image the way you want to look like. After that, click on Stylize. And boom. Here you can see this. It's so amazing. Now to download these images, select all these four. Now click on Place on Canvas. Up here click on Export. Click on the file type. Here select JPG. Down here click on Export all layers. Now click on Export. Done. After downloading, click on Open. Let me close this. Now open this zip file. Drag and drop this to the desktop. Now open this. Okay. Here you can see. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.